Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Yesterday's rain didn't amount to very much as expected, and once the sky opened up last night and the wind dropped, the stage was set for the perfect foggy start to a pleasant day, except the fog didn't happen for quite a few of us. Very comfortable temperatures today on the whole, all fairly close to the August average. A top of 22 degrees in Mackay after a mild night, and 25 this time at Proserpine. On the satellite loop now you can see most of the clouds gone. There's always a little bit of stubborn cloud in far north Queensland where light showers are still falling, but goodness, there's very little activity at the moment. A little bit of patchy middle cloud moving across southern Queensland, but it's fairly broken and not producing any rain at this stage. What we'll find in the time ahead is that a new trough that's already forming over Western Australia will eventually become the next rain-bearing system on Friday, Saturday near the coast. Today's chart, you can see why it was so foggy in so many areas this morning. High sitting just above northern New South Wales, very light winds in this zone, and after the rain we had last night, that basically made for a perfect setup for fog. Although further north it didn't happen quite as widespread as we initially thought. On tomorrow's chart, the high very rapidly moves out into the Tasman Sea. It's actually past the screen, and that means winds will start to get more northerly, so it's warming up. Then on the outlook chart, this next trough enters from the west. It does have an upper system, and like I said, it will bring some rain probably Friday into Saturday. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Mackay waters, east to southeast winds reaching 20 knots at times tomorrow, mostly lighter though. On Thursday, 10 to 15 knot easterlies, shifting east-northeasterly on Friday, very little strength. 2 low tides tomorrow, one at dawn, one at dusk, and a high tide halfway between. We're approaching first quarter moon, so the swing isn't so big anymore. Central Coast and Whitsunday is some early fog, but mostly sunny day. Mackay 14 to 24 degrees, Bowen and Proserpine 26. Central Highlands and Coalfields, some fog, but then a mostly sunny day to follow. Emerald 13 up to 26 degrees. Claremont and Moranbah 27. Looking ahead for Mackay, a rather warm outlook for the first week of August with little or no rain expected in the 7 days ahead. Quite cloudy this weekend though, and slightly cooler next week. Monash University have kindly prepared some stats for what's been the wettest July since 1970 in Cairns and the second wettest for Rocky and Mackay. All Queensland provincial capitals except Toowoomba received between 2 and 4.5 times their average rainfall. With a third La Nina threatening and the Indian Ocean dipole plummeting, don't be surprised to see more of this through spring. Back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Luke. Thank you very much, mate. Well, that wraps it up. Anything you'd like to watch again, catch up on our 7plus app or our page, 7news.com.au. And we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Take care. Good night.